Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Missy Meows here. I hope everyone is doing well. I am sorry if I'm sounding a little bit funny because I am full of cold, guys, but today I am going to show you how I made this hairpiece, DIY hairpiece, guys, and I am super excited to share these tips with you guys. So if you're interested, then keep watching and please subscribe to your girl. Subscribe. So things you need is a ring band, and I've got a brown one. I couldn't find a black one, but any color will do, but preferably is black. And you need a pair of scissors, guys, and you will also need a crochet. Those are the things we are going to use, guys, to create our hairpiece, and also hair, because without hair we can't make a hairpiece. Okay, so as you can see, my hairband now, it is already, this is a ring band. I don't know if I'm just sounding it right, but I'm just cutting my hair in half because I didn't want my hair to be too long, guys. So now I am just doing the crochet, putting the hair on my band, as you can see. And this band, it is like a spongy, like net. I don't know how to describe it, but it is just easy thing to put your crochet through. It is really easy, guys, and it's not even hard at all. So I'm just doing the same process, and as if you know how to do crochet already, guys, this will be easier for you. And even if it's your first time, trust me, if you just keep watching the video, you'll find yourself actually doing the same thing within less than 30 minutes. You'll be able to do crochet, guys. So keep on watching, and as I said, guys, help your girl to reach to 1k. Just subscribe to your girl's channel because we are on our way to 1k. So I'm not gonna be talking throughout the video, guys. Yeah, okay, guys, so as you can see now, my hairband, it is all done. Oh my god, why I keep saying hairband? I mean my hairpiece. Okay, my hairpiece, it is all done. As you can see, it is nice and full. I used the whole pack, guys. I used whole pack of my water bulk, and I am super impressed. Let me know what you all think. Okay, period. Oh, so now I am going to show you guys how to put that hairpiece which I made. So I'm just gonna remove my my chiffon. I'm just gonna remove my hair wrap. Okay, this is how I have my hair looking right now. Okay, I'm just gonna fix my foundation here. As you can see, there's a line because I did the makeup with the head wrap on. So yeah, it's kind of looking funny and weird here. Can you all see that? Hey all, so now I am going to show you guys how to put the hairpiece which I made earlier on. So yeah, as you can see now, my face is all slayed and all that, so yeah, so let me just put the hairpiece, show you guys how it turned out, and I am pretty excited right now. I can't even wait to show you guys how it looks. It looks good, actually. It looks good. It doesn't look bad. As you can see, I've already done my hair. I put gel and I used eco gel. Okay, so my hair is in a bunny now, so I'm just gonna go and put the hairpiece. So here's our hairpiece turned out like this. As you can see, this is how it is looking right now. Okay, so obviously we're gonna use this part to put the hairpiece, hair bunny. All right. Okay. So when it's like this, guys, all we need to do is to trim the hair. This is how it is looking, but I just want to trim it a little bit, and we'll need as well bobby pins to secure our hairband here. So we'll put the bobby pins inside because already this is a ring band, so it's going to be easier to put the bobby pins. And As you can see, I've used the brown one, but you can even use the black one and that'll be really perfect. But of course me, I couldn't find the black one, so I went ahead and used this dark brown, and it's still good as well. It's not really showing inside. But how do you all see it, guys? Like, oh, I like it. Okay, I'm going to trim this. As you can see, it's a bit. Okay guys, so I trimmed my hair. As you can see now, it is, you know, better. Okay, I can see there's still a little bit here. Here. So guys, you can use bobby pins to secure your hairpiece. I'm just going to put one now. You can put as much as you want until you're feeling that your hairpiece is well secured. But right now I'm just going to, you know, I'm not going to put much bobby pins because I'm not going anyway. Okay, so I use this water bulk hair, crochet hair, and it is so soft. It feels really soft, guys, and natural because my hair is not proper black, so I bought color 1B. Okay, I've had this hair for like a year, guys, and I didn't know what to do with it, but this DIY to make, you know, the hairpiece got me to use this hair. Like, I am really impressed with how it turned out. It's really nice and beautiful and soft. What do you all think, guys? What do you all think? Let me know. Okay, let me know, and please support your girl. We are on our way, you know, to 1K. So yeah, support your girl. Subscribe. Okay, so yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye.